charting right at the morning, this would have been a beautiful trade with a clear target of 5-day moving averages. But otherwise, focus on finding profits in the charts. And if you're struggling, my challenge to you is this: just take one trade a day. That's all you need. And this is 6.5 hours. If you have 6.5 hours to wait for one trade, would you wait for clearer structure or more algorithms to show you the picture before you start forcing a trade? Because some of you blow your count before 10 a.m. even land. And you know that that's a big problem. So that's the thing about the algorithms, right? It starts to teach you how to prepare for your next trade. And when you are able to have that finesse, have that aptitude to be able to plan for the next trade to the penny, then you will have that patience to wait, because now you trust your own setups. Now, the reason you struggle is because you have no means of a stackable way of learning a skill to build that sort of aptitude to prepare for a setup. You follow signals, you follow indicators that makes no sense, and that's why you cannot stack up the skill. But this is different. You see me do it, it's almost the same every day, and this is one way of knowing that it's consistent for you to stack up your skills. That's the point behind this, right? So stay focused, and I'm telling you, if you're struggling, look for one trade a day, get it done, and you call it a day. I promise you, you will see massive improvement after 1 month if you listen to me. All right, so thank you very much for watching. And as I always tell you, stop losing money. If you don't know what you're doing, stop trading. Learn, study, paper trade. It's free, right? And watch all my videos. It's free on YouTube. So do that first. If you cannot even master the basics, what makes you think, in what world your ego tells you that you can beat the market? So take it one step at a time. Stop wasting money, right? Stay focused. You got this. See you closer to opening bell.